Want to know which business is going to be successful this year? Watch this video. We are no longer in the year 2020. Now, we are looking forward to 2021 with big hopes. I will share with you some top business industries that have the potential to boom in 2021 so that you can take advantage of them and avoid being left behind, because business is all about creativity. We all know that coronavirus brought the world to a halt, and many businesses could barely make ends meet as a result. However, some businesses have seen earnings rise and are expected to continue to do so after the pandemic, while the ones who failed last year will see an extensive improvement in the year 2021. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Unwana, your free personal finance coach. Coming up in this video are the top business industries that will boom in 2021. If you have been wondering which business will make the most of this year and want to try your luck in one, this video is for you. Watch till the end. Do not forget to click the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you are the first one to know whenever I upload something new, and don't forget to give a thumbs up. The tires will run fast this year. The transportation business. When you consider the latest progress in the transportation industry like Uber and Tesla, it's clear that this sector is hungry for development and even hungrier for new talent. It is clearly understood that transportation is used by every individual, organization, and brand on a daily basis, resulting in strong demand. As transportation and technology become more closely connected, there is a switch from traditional services towards startups with progressive ideas. As I already mentioned, some businesses failed drastically because of coronavirus, and transportation was one big prey. But from the start of the year 2021, this business has again got a boost and will continue to make progress. If you want to invest money in a place where you get great revenue, this could be an ideal suggestion. It's all about convenience, mobility, and technology when it comes to transportation. Start asking yourself how your business could leverage developments to reduce current pressure points to set yourself apart from the industry leaders. For example, some services are attempting to outshine Uber by prioritizing their drivers. They have a strategic edge by charging riders 20% less and allowing drivers to keep 20% more of their earnings, bringing them in the lead. So why not you give it a shot? Coming up is another business that has gained a lot of popularity during the last year and will continue to boost in 2021. The virtual healthcare services. With shopping, studying, and working, healthcare is also going virtual. This pattern has its hard limits, like you can't do surgery over Zoom. However, several health consultations were conducted over the internet before COVID-19. This sector is projected to continue to expand rapidly in 2021. Creating a virtual doctor business will allow everyone to see a doctor without leaving their homes. You are bringing comfort to their doorsteps as a virtual business that is good for you and the other person. You'll also consider the mobility issues that most seniors have as they go to the hospital. What I suggest to you is to have some computer programming expertise. Also, suppose you can build a user-friendly, easy-to-navigate application for connecting doctors and patients. In that case, that will be a great way to stand apart from the rest and make money with the rising business. Photography will go viral. The 360-degree photography business. Visuals are a way to record memories, and they can't get old. With the new technology touching every field of business, photography has also modified and turned to 360-degree photography. In the fields of social media and publicity, this field of photography has so much incredible talent. 360-degree views provide viewers a panoramic view of a scene or venue, allowing them to see the surroundings as if they were already there. Implementing 360-degree visuals helps consumers take an exclusive step behind the scenes for companies that focus on visuals such as wedding planning, landscape, real estate, and others. Users can also post 360-degree photography on social media sites like Facebook, so being on the ground floor of this new kind of image will be incredibly beneficial. This business has the potential to grow in the year 2021, with many people striving to start one. Go get a camera if you like it. Making homes look good is a new trend. Home interior business. Do you have a passion for designing interiors? Do you enjoy transforming messy homes into sophisticated structures? For you, this could be a potential business idea because this business is seeing a lot of success in the coming year. Interior designers are hard to find, especially the good ones. Despite the market crisis, home renovation businesses appear to be thriving in the upcoming times. Homeowners in the United States spend almost about $4,000 on home improvements each year on average. This is a fantastic opportunity for the interior designing industry. To get this business off the ground, you'll only need your tools and a lot of talent. Be ready to carry some weights as gyms are back. The fitness business. Several fitness freaks are going back to the gym, after being socially isolated after the lockdown. However, the second and third lockdowns forced them to return to home workouts. Many people who were working out at home started their small gym business. The good news is that this year will see great success in the fitness business. For instance, when gyms reopen, those on a budget and those who like the anonymity and versatility of exercising at home became eager to return to their workout routines. This gave a boost to new gym businesses. According to the science of habit formation, training daily for a long time can develop a habit, and many exercise enthusiasts are expected to return to their workout plans. The fitness industry will benefit from this. So, try to get some exercise machines at your place and invite friends for a workout party. Have you heard Netflix and chill? Well, there are other options too. The online streaming service business. Streaming video has emerged as a new trend. It exploded in popularity in 2020, and it is expected to grow with 82% of all internet traffic in 2021. It is now possible for it to grow even faster. Well, thanks to the arrival of new technologies, increased frequency band, and mobile application usage. The number of consumers and copyright holders and filmmakers have increased as video quality has improved. Consumers all over the world are moving away from conventional television in favor of online streaming platforms. If you think you are fit for this business, find a niche of content for your apps, such as entertainment, education, or fitness. Select a way for monetization and study more requirements for online streaming apps, and you will be there in the list of a growing industry. The pandemic has taught us to drink pure water, so the next business is and will keep growing. The water business. If you're serious about starting a new business, make sure your financing will last for years, and we can all agree that clean drinking water, including water distribution to homes and businesses, is one of the more financially viable opportunities if you can do it privately and profitably. Current disputes are fought over oil, but future conflicts will be battled over water. Let's be clear, in just a few years, water will become a scarce resource. There will also be a much stronger push to commercialize and profit from the drinking water business. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this unique business? So, these were some of the businesses that we got to talk about and will grow in the year 2021. I think I have given some favorable suggestions to start a business and be a part of the race of financial advancement. What do you think? If you want to know about the businesses that will keep moving in 2021, these are some of the very beneficial and economically healthy businesses that will boost in 2021. By following my suggestions, I have given you in this video, you will surely be a profitable business owner. With that being said, if you need help mastering your personal finance, you should consider joining my digital course called Personal Finance Domination. This course will teach you the basics of financial management and is definitely going to help you out in fulfilling your financial goals and starting a small business in no time. If you like any of the video's ideas for business, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to find out more about personal finance. If you have any questions or new ideas for making money, drop them below in the comment section. I will come up with a new informative video for you again. Till then, take good care of yourself.